Hello friends, welcome to Om Sai Cooking Classes, and this is Chef Seema Gaware Patil from Nasik. Today I have launched a very special course. It's a course of Facepack, Ubtan and Scrub. And this course is available in Hindi and English both language. In this course we will teach you the different type and different variety of the face pack, how to make, how to apply, what are the benefit and how to do the packaging. So after learning this course you can apply, you can make this face pack at home, and even you can start business in this face pack. So let's see what are the face pack you are going to learn in this course. This is herbal face pack. In this class I will teach you variety of face pack, Ubtan and Scrub, and how to use them, how frequently you have to apply this face pack. Everything you are going to learn in this class. This is glowing skin Brazilian face pack. According to name, you can easily understand that this face pack is generally used for glowing. This is anti-aging face pack. I am going to teach you some DIY recipe for face pack, scrub and Ubtan, which help you to improve your skin complexion and even texture of your skin. So after learning this course, you can even sell them at commercial purpose. This is Bridal Ubtan. This is Kumkumadi face pack, and this is the most demanding face pack in which we have used so many herbs which are very beneficial for your skin. Then this is Papaya face pack. In this class we will teach you the right technique of making face pack, its proper knowledge, benefit of each face pack, how to apply it, how frequently you have to use the face pack, and according to your skin how to apply them. Each and everything you are going to learn in this class. This is clear skin Siberian face pack. This is skin brightening face pack. In this class even we will show you how to do the packaging of all these products. This is Diwali face pack, or you can say Diwali Ubtan. We have more than 240 plus online cooking courses which we have designed in such a way that any age group of people can join our courses and start their career. This is Bentonite face pack. When you join our class, you will come to know that which face pack has what benefit and how to apply them, and what is the correct method of applying them. This is beetroot face pack. This is D10 face pack, and this face pack helps to remove the tanning of the skin. In today's class, all the face packs, scrub and Ubtan, they are 100% natural, without chemical. You can say all of them are herbal. This is Anti-Acne face pack. Again, this is Walnut Scrub. It helps to remove the dead skin, blackheads and whiteheads. So today's lucky winners are, so when you join our online class, what are the things you get? In this course you will get recipe and video which has lifetime access. Then we will send you the certificate, and after that whatever doubts you have, you can contact me and ask your all doubts. So the first lucky winner is Tulika Gupta, and second lucky winner is Anisha Patel. Congratulations both the lucky winners, and you can claim your free online class by contacting on below number. So see you again next Tuesday with a new class.